Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video because I have gotten something that I have wanted for such a long time now, and if you have followed me for a long time you probably know already what it is, but it is in this bag. And yeah, let's get into this video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, so fast forward, I got offered a bag in December last year. I did say no to it because it was a Kelly 25 in Vert Yucca. And I think it was way too similar to my Vertiate Kelly, so therefore I said no to it. And also because there is something that I wanted even more in a specific size. And when Christmas came, I didn't think at all that I was going to get a bag or anything from Hermès, so therefore I went a little crazy Christmas shopping for myself. But in the middle of January I got a call from my essay and it was very unexpected. I didn't think at all that he was going to say that it was a bag. I'm waiting for some tableware and some other things, so I thought that maybe that could have come in stock, but to my surprise it was a bag. I was with a friend of mine when I got a call and I was so shocked and I couldn't believe it, and after a little while we went to the boutique and then I got to see my new baby for the first time. But I know that you guys are very eager to see this one, so I will not keep you waiting that long. But it is a bag that I have wanted for such a long time and I'm so thankful for getting this bag, and I still cannot believe it. It is my birthday tomorrow when I'm filming this video and I haven't seen it since I was in the store. So I have had it wrapped in the bag all the time. And today is finally the day that I'm going to see my bag again, because I wanted to share it with you guys, my first impressions when I unbox it, because this is the real unboxing. I haven't touched it or anything, so I'm very excited to unbox it. And I think we probably should start. So as you can see, the bag isn't that big, which means it is a small bag. And let's take it out. I also got a birthday card from my essay because he knows that it is my birthday soon. And I asked my essay if this was something that he planned for my birthday or anything, because I really didn't know that I was going to get a bag. But he said to me that it was just randomly, and they received it the day he called me, and right away when he saw this bag he thought about me, and I'm so thankful for that, because as you probably can guess by the box, it is a mini bag. I think we can unbox it now. So let's start. It hurts a little bit to destroy the ribbon and everything because it was tied so beautifully. But the thing that's inside this box is something that I want so much. So let's take off that. And here is the receipt and the care booklet. Are you ready? And now I want you guys to pause the video and guess what's inside this box in the comments. Which color, what bag, all the specifics. Let me know in the comments what you think it is. And now it is time. And it is quite some time since I last unboxed a bag on my channel. I think it was in December, not last year, but the year before that. But the reason is because I have been waiting for this one, because I feel that this is the only bag that I miss in my collection. But now it is time to unwrap it. And here is the dust bag, and look at this cute pillow. Here it is inside the dust bag. And let me introduce you to my new baby. This is my first ever mini Kelly. I cannot believe it. It is so beautiful and I cannot wait to wear her, and I have wanted a mini Kelly for such a long time, and this is in the color orange. And as you can see, it is not a very bright orange. I think it is more like a brown orange, and that's what I like about it, because I feel that it is a very good pop of color, but at the same time it is like a neutral orange to me. I cannot believe it is mine. I'm still in shock. And as you can also see, it is with gold hardware and in Epsom leather and in cellular. But let's open her up. I'm so speechless. I don't have the words to describe how big it is for me to have this bag, because it is a bag that I have wanted for such a long time. And also I tried it on when I got offered the green Kelly in December. They had one on display, and this is a brand new one, and I didn't think at all that I was going to get it. But when I said no to the green Kelly, I put some other colors on my list, because I did change my mind a bit. And I'm so happy that I did it, because I literally got a mini Kelly right after I rejected the Kelly. And I'm so happy about it now. This is a bag that I want in my collection much more than another green Kelly, because I feel the green Kellys are too similar, and this is a completely different bag than my green Kelly and also my Birkin. But let's take out the strap. Here is the tiny strap. It is so cute. It says Hermès there. And I think this is 95 or so, if I'm not wrong. And I think it is a little bit too short for me to have crossbody, at least comfortably. But let's put her on. So here is it with the strap on, and I cannot wait to wear her. I'm going to wear her for the first time tomorrow, and I'm looking so much forward to that. I think it is just the perfect bag, and I also think it is the perfect pop of color, because as you might know, I like pop of colors. I think it is a very elegant way to elevate an outfit. And here we can see how it looks. And here it says Hermès, and here is inside it. It don't fit a lot of things, to be honest, but that's not a problem for me, because I only have my phone, card holder and a lipstick with me when I'm going out. And I think this is just the perfect evening bag or daytime bag for me, because it's the most practical size for my needs. And yeah. And inside we have a back pocket, as you can see here, and that's pretty much it. That's my new bag. What do you guys think about it? Do you think I did a good choice when I rejected the Kelly and got this one instead? Let me know in the comments. And I cannot wait to wear her, and I'm so happy that I have her. So I got this bag in Oslo, Norway. I didn't get it in Paris because Oslo is my main boutique. I also have a twilly for it. So as you can see here, it has some orange details and it is grey. So I think this one will fit the Kelly perfectly. even though I don't wear twillies that much on my bags. I still think it is very cute on this one. And when it comes to pricing, since I bought it in Norway, I have it in Norwegian kroners, but it has been a very big price increase here in Norway because of the currency. So I think the price increase on this bag was around $1,500 compared to last year, which is quite a hefty price increase if you ask me. But I'm still happy that I managed to get her. And the price on this one was around $9,000, but I still think it is worth it if you ask me. And yeah, I will also show you some mod shots, how I style it and how it looks on me. So that was my first ever mini Kelly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye!